Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. My name's Dylan. I'm an Uber driver, Lyft driver, small business owner, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it, TikToker. I have over 750,000 people who follow me on TikTok. I got this YouTube channel, the Rideshare Hub. This channel is a whole conglomeration of a bunch of creators that I run. We got a lot of people on this channel, so definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet already, and use the link down below for Get Upside if you do want to save money on gas. I use Get Upside. Yeah, basically download the app, take a picture of your gas receipt when you're at the gas station, go to the one at gas stations in the app, and you get up to 25 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up. It's nuts. But today we're talking about my EIDL. I actually got $1,000 in my bank account, which I was actually pretty surprised that I got it. This has been, what is today, June 18th, I think. I applied for that thing back in early April, I believe, after they announced it. I didn't even think I really qualified at first. I had no idea what PPP was. I had no idea what EIDL was. PUA was just starting, unemployment benefits. But so I'm just going to walk you through my process and show you a screenshot of me getting the EIDL. So yeah, just so you guys know, I'm gonna make this video really short and tell you that you can still apply for the EIDL. You can still get $1,000. So back in March 15th, that's when the lockdown was announced. They said that you can get a $10,000 forgivable loan in the form of the EIDL, which is Economic Injury Disaster Loan. Anybody can apply for it if you have a small business, which includes Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash drivers, whatever, etc. If you're an independent contractor or gig worker, you can do that. So I was like, heck yeah, I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna try to apply. So I applied, and it said, well, there was a box that checked that you could click that says, oh, I'd like to request an advance of up to $10,000. So I took advice from Clear Value Tax. He's a tax accountant, tax professional who also has a YouTube channel. He's really, really good. I highly recommend him for anybody for your tax and finance needs. I'm not a professional, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an accountant, but I was watching one of his videos and he said it's the advance. He said the full loan amount is not forgivable, but the advance of the loan you don't need to pay back. So that's how it works. So then I applied, heard really nothing about it. I got a couple of emails here and there, and then I got an email saying it was being processed, and then I got another email saying that I was eligible to, I guess, request a loan. So my application was like approved, I guess, and I could request a loan from $1,000 to $44,100. So that was not the advance though, and so I didn't request anything. And then a couple days ago, I was actually in the process of filming a YouTube video, and during that video I noticed that in one of my emails they asked me if I wanted to reapply for an advance. So I had already applied for the advance, because keep in mind guys, I do believe that the advance is forgivable, not the actual loan, but the advance of the loan is forgivable. So which means you don't need to pay it back, which means it's a grant, it's free. Free money, free cash. Now it says up to $10,000, but then when you look into the details, it says $1,000 per employee of the business you're requesting the loan for. So I myself The way I have it set up is I have an LLC, limited liability company, that I set up, and then I'm an employee. I'm a W-2 employee of my own LLC, which is why I can't apply for unemployment, because I'm still receiving a paycheck from my own company. I can't, you know, I'm still employed. So what I did was I applied for the PPP, the Paycheck Protection Program. I got $5,000 from there, which is 2.5 months of payroll. Like that's my cut, my paycheck every month. So I did receive a $1,000 deposit in my account. Here's the screenshot of it going into my account. I can't really show everything with all the numbers and everything, but yeah, I got into my Bank of America account, and yeah, I got $1,000. So as of this point, now from the US stimulus bill, I've gotten the $5,000 PPP, the $1,000 EIDL. I am going to try to talk to a tax professional to see how I can, well, I have my own accountant. I'll probably just ask them. I don't know what I'm saying. I'll ask them about the EIDL. I do know that for the PPP, I'm still applying for forgiveness for that. So, it said within 8 weeks of receiving the PPP, the Paycheck Protection Program, I just need to upload a simple document to my portal that I have already set up, saying that I use the funds for payroll, which I will have a document saying that. So it's no big deal, but I need to make sure, double check for EIDL, that I don't need to like pay that back. Anyways, that's it. That's all I want to share with you guys on today's video. Again, use the link down below for Get Upside so you can save up to 25 cents off per gallon. I'm serious, guys. Use this app. I use it. And let me know if you've received either PUA, unemployment benefits, EIDL, or PPP. I am genuinely curious. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know if you have any questions. All right. Bye, guys.